Happy retirement, Mrs. Lindsay.
Okay. Good luck in your retirement. I hope you have like a great time and you enjoy yourself. You're going to have a lot of fun being a grandma with your very adorable grandchild. I remember prep not very well, but I do remember that you were definitely one of my 2 favourite prep teachers. And yeah, I hope you have a lot of fun once you start being able to enjoy yourself a lot.
Thank you for being with me in my very first year of school and welcoming you to this new Glasshouse community, and I wish you all the best in your life outside the school.
Thank you for being the best teacher that I had in prep, and second best,
dual best
teacher in prep, and I don't really remember anything, so happy retirement.
Yeah,
you were awesome.
I remember 5 cents day actually.
I don't.
We got to like step in little tidy trays full of like baked beans, and then we got to make pikelets.
And it's
like the one thing I remember.
Hey, Mrs. Lindsay.
We'll miss you.
We'll miss you so much.
Yeah.
We freaking loved you. In the shed.
Still love you.
Yes. Always will. And hope to see you again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't leave.
That shed was great.
Don't leave. The shed is great. Yeah.
Yeah, I remember the shed, but not much.
We never got classrooms.
Yeah.
We were one of those kind of kids. We went.
Yeah.
It's like one of the boasts that we can have for graduation is like we had Mrs. Lindsay as a teacher.
In a shed.
Happy retirement.
We miss you.
See ya.
Good morning, Mrs. Lindsay, and God bless you. Can we say something?
Yeah, probably.
Miss Lindsay, it's been like, what, 10 years now? And it feels like yesterday I was doing sleeping lines in the classroom, and then, and I was the best at it, because I always love sleeping. Yeah. It was really good having you as my teacher, and I'll never forget you as my very first teacher.
Same. Thanks for being my teacher. You're really good and really nice, and I wish you luck on your next chapter in life.
Thank you. We won't forget you, and we wish you luck on everything from now on.
Yeah.
Love you.
Bye.
Hey, Miss Lindsay.
Hi.
You probably remember us, Mattia and Julie. We just want to say thank you for making our first year at school so easy, and yeah, you know, we couldn't have done it without you, and we'll miss you.
We love you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Hello. It's been so long since you taught me in the classroom. No, I'm just joking. You are going to be very missed around here. Obviously the students talking show you that, but I'm going to miss working with you, so you have to come back and do relief, and maybe some high school relief too. That would be lovely. Alright, I love you. Enjoy retirement.